Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. This is going to be a very short one. I just want to congratulate you for laying your hands on our product, the S-factor, for your health, to make sure that you get healthy. Now, how do we use this product? This video is for how to use this product. So once you wake up early in the morning, the first thing you do before you take your breakfast, of course, brush your teeth, wash your mouth. The first thing you do, bring out a pack like this. A pack like this contains 20 sachets. A pack contains 20 sachets. So if you are going to be using one a day, means you are going to be using it for 20 days, one a day. So you pick out a sachet like this and you cut it. You cut it like this and pour the content, this powder, pour it under your tongue and let it melt under your tongue for 1 minute, and then you take warm water, not cold water, warm water. You take a lot of water during the day, but when you are taking it, take a cup of water and then make sure you keep taking water during the day. Normal water, basically. Warm water, not cold water. So this is how to use it. Once you have opened the sachet, so within 30 seconds, it is dissolved under your tongue. And then take a cup of warm water. I say again, warm water, not cold water, not alcohol, not beer. Just warm water, not minerals, not Coke, not minerals, not beer, not alcohol. Just water, warm water. That's all. This is what you need to do in the morning, and then you keep taking warm water during the day, the afternoon, the evening, at night. It's very simple. Open the sachet, put it under your tongue, let the powder dissolve under your tongue. It goes straight into your system and start working immediately, and then you take warm water. This is very simple. So this is how to use our product, Swisderm S-factor plant stem cell, to help you recover from whatever sickness that you are treating. Take care of yourself.